video, we will learn how to perform DAQmx task name filtering. The first option is control type. Option are DAQmx task or DAQmx global channel. If we select the other option, the options related to global channel task filtering appear. If we click OK, then the control changes to global channel option, and if we click the drop down, global channel task appear, though the name remains the same. So let's revert it to task control. Allow undefined names allows us to enter an arbitrary string such as the name of a task we created programmatically rather than through max. Show invalid names shows names of improperly configured tasks in the control. Common causes of an invalid task are not saving the task or removing the associated device from the system. Include new option in browse. Add a create new button to the browse dialog box. But let's first create a project. Click finish. Add the VI to the project. Browse, create new, and two options become available to add a new task at the project level or at the max level. Let's create it at the project level. Select a type, select device and channel. Create next, give it a name, click finish. Configure it. Test run it. And when you're done, click OK. The project level task is added both to the select items list and also to the project. Click OK to select it. Next item is project item options. We can select from display all, display project items, or display max items to list only those tasks created in LabVIEW project, max, or both. Let's display the project items only. Note, if we filter task names outside the context of a LabVIEW project, display all and display max items only show tasks created in max. Display project item displays an empty list. If we filter task names within the context of a LabVIEW project, tasks created in max which share the same name as a project based task will be disabled and appear grayed out in the list.